Best deals.
1. Citrus juicer. It's durable and easy to use. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Dosa tawa. Made from superior grade cast iron which is stronger and fights rust longer. Can use metal ladles, also can use high heat, spreads and retains heat well. Easy to cook in, it's durable and non-toxic, no coating, naturally non-stick, healthy, hence the food cooked is tasty. With extra thick 5 mm base, food will not burn or stick. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Strainer pot. Lock and pour lid lets you safely drain hot water without a separate colander, ideal for pasta, noodles, rice. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Containers. Made from durable BPA-free and food-grade plastic. Clear containers with a unique lid designed to easily identify container contents. Perfect gifting option for festivities, weddings, housewarming parties. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Spoon. Perfect for frying utensil you need for frying up your favorite French fries, pakoda. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Rack. Extends to almost twice its size to hold more items when needed. Integrated plug can be set to trap water for draining later. Non-scratch draining prongs which can be easily removed for cleaning. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Container. Made from premium stainless steel for enhanced durability and rust resistance. See-through lid provides a clear view of the container's contents. Airtight seal preserves freshness by preventing moisture and air exposure. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Egg yolk. Effortlessly separate egg yolks from whites with these user-friendly tools, including an easy egg yolk separator design. Simply place the separator over a bowl, crack an egg into the device, and watch as the whites slip through while the yolk remains intact. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Juicer. Has flexible 2-speed modes to extract whole fruit and vegetable. Soft mode runs from 50 to 60 rpm for soft fruits like grape, kiwi, lemon, orange, beets etc. Hard mode runs from 100 to 110 rpm for hard fruits like apple, celery, carrot, ginger. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Put to maker. Even heat distribution enables fast cooking which helps in preserving food nutrients. Healthier dishes, for sure. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Suitable for gas and induction stove. Aesthetically designed for enhanced safety and convenience. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Grater. Is equipped with sharp, stainless steel blades, ensuring long-lasting performance. This cheese grater effortlessly handles various ingredients, making it an essential grater for kitchen tasks. Ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Mini fry pan. Aluminum body with non-stick coating for easy cooking and cleaning. It has better resistance to abrasion. Unique and stylish mini frying pan add beauty to your kitchen. It has an always stay cool phenolic handle for easy handling. Suitable cooktops, halogen, gas, electric. It is not suitable for induction. High-quality aluminum offers great performance and the base design has a superior quality durable exterior. Crafted to flip, turn and lift all your crispy delights. Perfect to make mini dosa, chilla, paratha, pancakes, toasts, omelets and tadka. Exceptionally tough base with aluminum core ensures unmatched heat conductivity, heats up quickly and evenly, and retains heat for longer, thus saving fuel and effort. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Cups. Are made with our proprietary biocomposite technology, new age bioplastics with good durability. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Steamer. Cook noodles, pasta, soup, rice, boil eggs, steam vegetables, meat, fish, make tea or coffee and prepare quick meals. Easily with one compact appliance. Spacious 1.5 L capacity makes it ideal for daily cooking needs for students, bachelors, small families, office use and travel convenience. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Chopper. With just a simple press of the lid, the push chopper quickly chops, dices, and minces your ingredients with ease. Perfect for quick salads, salsa, and stir fries. The high-quality stainless steel blades are designed for optimal cutting performance. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Tadka pan is designed for preparing tadka, quick heating of flavorful spices, and is also useful for melting butter or reheating small quantities of food. The extra thickness of the pans helps you cook without burning. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Containers is fantastic for everything from flour and sugar to cereals and snacks. Plus, they're totally leak-proof, so go ahead and store those yummy sauces and liquids without a worry. Perfect for home, pantry, and even on the go. Containers are microwave safe for quick reheats and freezer safe for longer storage. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Dividers can be installed in any drawers of your house or office. Comes with 4 expandable drawer divider with 9 subdividers. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Toothbrush holder with a convenient pump, making it easy to dispense soap or lotion. Its simple design complements both bathroom and kitchen settings. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Peeler. Turn veggies into ribbons in seconds with this peeler for salad, giving you effortless meal prep as a cucumber peeler like noodles and handy noodle peeler that helps create light, colorful dishes even on busy weeknights, glides smoothly, doubles as a stainless steel peeler for daily tasks. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Organizer is perfect for clothes, bedding, quilts, towels, toys, and more, helping you maximize storage space. Strong side handles make it easy to carry and move the storage box from one place to another. Built-in steel frame provides stability, keeps the box in shape, and allows for easy stacking without collapsing. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Turner is expertly designed for non-stick pans, ensuring your cookware remains scratch-free while cooking. Holds hefty food with ease. Nylon mini turner can be used at barbecue party to make burgers on an outdoor grill, as it can easily hold the weight of a half-pound patty. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Drain basket prevents buildup of grease and moisture, keeping your kitchen clean and dry. Stays firmly in place and withstands heat from stoves or hot water. Heat-resistant and non-slip design. Stays firmly in place and withstands heat from stoves or hot water. Simply rinse under water or wipe with a damp cloth for quick and effortless cleaning. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Soap dispenser delivers the right amount of liquid soap for faster and cleaner washing. A practical dishwashing brush and dish brush for every kitchen. Designed as a powerful kitchen cleaning brush and dish scrubber, it removes oil, food stains, and dirt from utensils, plates, pans, kitchen sinks, and tiles without extra effort. Features an ergonomic anti-slip handle that offers better control and reduces hand fatigue, making it the perfect utensil cleaning brush for everyday dishwashing tasks. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Trolley. Stylish powder-coated red finish adds durability and rust protection to strong steel construction. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Coffee maker. With the help of water level markings on our glass carafe, brew your coffee to perfection in less than 4 minutes. Now creating the perfect cup of coffee is not an art anymore. Pot is fitted with a 4-part superior filtration system and ensures little to no grinds in your brew. Coffee plunger is made from premium grade 18/8 stainless steel and extra tough borosilicate glass carafe that does not break easily. Coffee press has that classic coffee maker appeal, with highly polished stainless steel accents making it a beautiful gift for any coffee lover. Product link is given in the 26th link.